this is Naz, and today I'm here to have a quick demo on the project that I have done recently, implementing memory game on FPGA using pure VHDL. So I don't want to bother you with a long intro, let's dive straight into the project to see how it works.
In this memory game, the player must observe and repeat a randomly generated sequence of lights and sounds. To play the game, press the start button and release it. The game starts on the falling edge of the start switch. After starting the game, carefully remember the pattern of lights and sounds. When the enter text appears on the top of the screen, use the corresponding switches to repeat the sequence exactly. If you enter the pattern correctly, all the hearts will turn red to show your success before you move to the next level. As you progress, the sequence becomes longer and more challenging.
Oh.
Let's take a closer look at the FPGA board. As mentioned before, the game starts on the falling edge of the start switch, which in our case is the leftmost switch on the board. The generated sequence will appear both on the monitor and on the 4 corresponding LEDs. You can follow the pattern from either the monitor or the LEDs, and then enter the sequence using the switches. Each switch directly corresponds to the LED located above it. The number of patterns that you must remember in each level is equal to the level number. For example, in level 1, you will see 1 pattern. In level 2, you will see 2 patterns, and so on. To win the game, you must reach level 9, which means remembering a sequence of 9 patterns. Your level is shown on the 7-segment display on the board.
So that was pretty much it. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. If you are interested in recreating this project, you can find the source code in my GitHub repository. I highly recommend you to read the README file before going through to see the code, because I have explained all the modules, the functionality of all the modules in README file. Also, I have included the block diagram of code and also the state machine that I have used for this game. It will give you a better picture of the code so you can understand it much better. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you next time with another project. Bye bye!